What's up mga kakuda? Welcome back again to my channel. For those of you who are new in my channel, I am Aldwin. Sabi ko nga dun sa in-upload ko na first month, 1 month celebration here in YouTube. I'm going to unbox the gift that I received from Usbong MNL. So without further ado, I will unbox now yung first gift na natanggap po natin here in YouTube. By the way, again, hashtag Usbong Clark is still up. You can get 10% discount in all items of Usbong MNL. So please watch my previous video. I will put a link here and in the description below on how you can avail that. Plus, still up and running pa rin po yung giveaways po natin. So, again, nasa video po na yan kung paano nyo po kayo makaka-participate sa giveaway plus how you can avail the 10% discount using hashtag Usbong Clark under Usbong MNL. Okay? So, for this first unboxing po, no, we are going to unbox yung binigay nga ng Usbong MNL. Unahin natin to. Okay. So, actually, they sent me 4 items. So, nakakatuwa. Akala ko po talaga, with all honesty, nung una, nung may-message ako, nung may-ari ng Usbong MNL, akala ko bebentahan niya po ako. So, nakakatuwa kasi, ano pala, totoo pala yun, no? Totoo yung pakiram. Totoo yung may magsisend talaga sa'yo ng mga regalo. Hindi kasi ako masyadong naniniwala before, pero posible pala. Ayun. Okay, so going back. Okay, sige. So this is the box that they sent. This is just the first one, okay? So nakalagay po dito, basahin ko lang po Punya. Oh, hi Clark. Continue to inspire, entertain, and encourage more people, especially in this time of pandemic. As PlanTito, hope you enjoy this. Hashtag Usbong MNL. Maraming salamat, Usbong MNL. Maraming salamat. So, it's the time to open this. Let's open this. Puro may mga tape. Saan yung cutter ko? Wait lang po. Kunin ko lang yung cutter.
Meanwhile.
Okay, so we have here the cutter. So, open natin siya. Ano kaya ito? Wait. Tatubo natin yung note, syempre. Maraming salamat ulit, Usbong MNL. Ang tagal ko mag-open. Sorry, pasensya na po. Hindi po kasi ako sanay mag-open ng regalo. Wala kasi nagre-regalo. Joke lang po. Ano kaya ito? Ang cute niya. Nakakatuwa. Oh! This is it! Si Groot! Nakapuso! Tingnan niyo po yung loob. Ito yung texture niya sa harap. Okay. So, cute! Maraming pong salamat. Gusto ko to, si Groot. Tsaka maganda dito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa table mo. And actually nakita ko na to sa Facebook page. Nakita ko na to sa Facebook page ng ng Usbong MNL. I believe they have 3 more designs ata nito. Check nyo na lang po yung Facebook page nila. Pero maraming salamat for this, Usbong MNL. I'll make sure to put it on my desk. Oh, cute. Salamat po. Next na pinadala naman sa atin ng Usbong MNL is this. Ang laki. So, they sent us, first is this one, maliit na basket. So, usually, ginagamit po itong mga basket na ito if you are having some plants and then wala ka pang pots. So, ginagamit po siya kasi some of the plants that we have Ang nilalagay lang natin siya sa pot, sa temporary pots, yung block pots. So, may advantage din naman po yung paggamit nun kasi nakaka-breathe yung mga roots kasi may mga ganong types ng plant. So, of course, you don't want to display naman po, no? You don't want to display yung black pot lang sa loob ng bahay ninyo. So, this is a good option wherein you can put your plants and make at least a good design for your room or for your sala, for any part of your house. So, maraming salamat again, Usbong Manila. So, meron po sila gantong kaliit na pots. So, kung meron kayong mga halaman na medyo maliliit lang, mga cactus, mga dwarf, snake plant, something like that, pwede nyo po itong gamitin. Ayan. So, from this one na ganito kaliit, sinendan din tayo ng Usbong Manila ng ayan, ganito po kalaki naman. Ang laki, diba? Parang kasya nga pa ata ulo ko. Nagkasya yung ulo. Diba? Pero, nakakatuwa, meron silang gantong kalaki. Alam nyo, kung saan ko ito na-appreciate, yes, it's very, very big. Sobrang niyang laki. Pero, nakakatuwa kasi sa ganito, pwede mo siyang gamitin if you have bigger plants. For example, you have palmera. Sobrang laki ng mga palmera na plants. Kasi, Arcea palm. Ayan, diba? So, and you will put it in a very big pot. And you want it to put on your sala, on your living room. And of course, sometimes, diba, ang hirap maghanap ngayon ng sobrang lalaking pots. Aminin nyo yan. Yung mga pots na cement or pots na gawa sa clay, ang hirap maghanap at ang mahal. Aminin nyo po yan, sobrang mahal na mga pots ngayon. So, if you just have a block pot, or at least medyo hindi ganun kaganda ng mga pots, mga plastic pots, diba? You can have this option and put that pot inside here, diba? So, pwede nyo po siyang gamitin na pang-decorate talaga ng room po ninyo. I believe may isa pang design ng Usbong Manila nito. So, please visit their page and you can inquire naman with them. I believe meron din sila, puro I believe, diba? Meron din sila nitong nakaset. Meron din sila itong nakaset na binibenta from the small, the medium, and the large. So, ayun. Actually, pwede mo nga rin siyang gawin laundry basket. Diba? Oh. Diba? Ang ganda. Tsaka yung quality niya. Diba? Hindi tinipid. Ang ganda. Ang ganda po ng quality. Wait lang. Lapit ko. Pag nilapit ko, di nyo na po makikita mukha ko. Ano pipiliin nyo? Mukha ko po o yung basket?
Mukha ko po o yung basket?
Siyempre yung basket. Ayan. So, ayan siya. Ayan. So, ang ganda ng quality niya. Maganda yung quality niya. So, please, check nyo po Usbong Manila if you're interested with this item. So, isa pa po sa sinend ng Usbong Manila, dito ako sobrang natuwa. Nung dineliver siya sa akin, dito po ako sobrang natuwa. Sobra talaga ako natuwa. Hindi po ito pang exercise, ha? Hindi po ito pang exercise. Hindi po ito pang exercise. Ito po ay plant stand. Okay? Actually, share ko lang po sa inyo mabilis. Before I present you the image for this. Nakakatuwa kasi, nung nag-usap kami, nung may-ari ng Usbong Manila, sabi niya sa akin, nakapatong yung mga halaman mo sa floor lang. So, I will send you this, try mo, tingnan mo, check mo. So, akala ko naman kung ano yung send niya. And look, ito yung sinend niya. Ganda. Gawa po siya sa bakal, kaya siya mabigat. And, sige, I'll take a video of this. And, so, i-play po natin yan para makita nyo po. Personally po, natutuwa ako ng sobra kasi I really never expect that as early as this, there are people who are nalaglag yung mic. Ganun pala yung pakiramdam nung merong magre-regalo sa inyo, nung merong taong magbibigay sa inyo out of nowhere. Hindi ka naman nagde-demand, but since you make them happy and you make them inspire at some point, diba? Nakakatuwa, na-appreciate ka nila. Sabi nga po, no, you will be enriched in every way so that you can be generous on every occasion. And through us, your generosity will result in thanksgiving to God. No, personally, one way para matalo mo ang selfishness sa buhay mo is learn how to give. Learn how to share your blessings. And I can never imagine that because of YouTube, I was able to be reminded of that again. Again, sabi ko nga, sino ba naman ako with a very small number of subscribers as of this moment, a particular business trust me and even gave me gifts, and not just gifts, but allowed me to share this blessing as well to other people because again, meron silang pa-hashtag, diba? So, nakakatuwa po at nakakataba ng puso, nakakataba ng pisngi. Ayun. So, again, more power to you, Usbong Manila. And guys, again, please do avail the hashtag Usbong Clark. It's still up and running up until first week of August. So please check again, yung vlog ko po about my first month here in YouTube because there I already gave the instructions on how to avail that. And please also do comment your favorite verse on that particular vlog because again, we will select 3 random winners of our 3 giveaways. Kung hindi nyo pa po napapanood yun, panoorin nyo po so that you will know the instructions. If you are new in this channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be notified once I upload another video. So that's it mga kahoda. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta at panonood ng mga vlog ko. Maraming salamat po. Hey! Bye!